So now we're going to look at our stitched page tab dies, and in this set you get two sets. You get the circular with the stitched effect with the perfect mats, and then you get the pentagon with the stitched effect and the perfect mats, and they've both got a little score line in the middle so that you can just fold them over to create the perfect tab. So this is the pentagon one, and you can see the score line is in the centre there. Now you may find it best to just bend it back on itself first, just to get it lined up before you're actually going to fold it over on itself. And what you do is you can pop it onto the edge of your page like that, so that sticks perfectly. So you've stuck that one on, it's folded over beautifully, and then just take your mat and then you can line that up on top and repeat the same. You would have your decorative paper on here normally, but I'm just showing you this for the purpose of demonstration. So, and that is your perfect tab. If I do it that way, you can see, and then of course when you've finished you need to put glossy accents on there just to highlight it a little bit more. And the circle tab works in exactly the same way, but this time what you could do is actually use your mag pop die, put a magnet there and a magnet there, so then you have almost like a bivalve shell, so it clips together and you can use that as in your planners, in your albums, just to hold things in place. So really, really useful dies.